You know you're different, you've always known you're different, but you don't know why, and you're suffering because of it. Subtle signs that you might be neurodivergent, but masking so damn hard that you're even gaslighting yourself at this point. Number one, you don't like being touched. You do it, right? You give hugs, maybe sometimes you let people touch you or whatever, but internally you're very uncomfortable unless it's like with certain people. Let's say in intercourse you're okay with it, or when you have a partner, or just with one person. But overall, being touched is not, it feels wrong, you know what I mean? Number two, eye contact. Maybe you force yourself, maybe you laser focus to make eye contact, but in reality, if it was up to you, you just wouldn't. When you talk, you would be like, you just wouldn't do it. But you force yourself to do it anyways, because it would be weird otherwise. Number three, you don't really know when to speak, when to come in during a conversation. You wait your turn and you're like, okay, should I talk now? Should I talk then? It takes extra energy for you to pick and choose when to talk. It doesn't come naturally. Number four, you get irritated by things that don't seem to be a problem to other people. Let's say that you are on your way to a destination. For you, you have to know exactly how long it takes. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you have to prepare yourself. Otherwise, you're irritated. And if someone tells you it's 10 minutes, but it turns out to be 15 minutes, you're irritated. If you're in the car with everyone else and the music is a little higher than your threshold of volume that you like, you get super irritated. Where other people, they might not like it, but they're not crawling in their own skin. You know what I mean? Other things can trigger you. For example, if there's water on your face, you know what I mean? Or if the water is a little too cold or too hot, they really trigger you. Number five is the way you handle your interests. Your interests aren't like neurotypical people where they like something so they engage with it. With you, it's almost obsessive. It's a hyperfixation. Now, this can come in two ways. Number one, it's a lifelong thing. For example, me, I collect Funko Pops. I'm never gonna stop. Or you find a hyperfixation and interest. Let's say I want to learn to paint. I'm obsessed with this idea. You buy the brushes, canvases, maybe an iPad with a pen, this and that, and you start doing it, but after a while, you completely drop it. Doesn't matter if it sticks or not, but you hyperfixate on interests. They're not just interests, they're almost obsessions. Social gatherings are exhausting to you. Sometimes you leave a social gathering of some sorts and you come home and you crash out. Maybe you cry, maybe you scream, maybe you just stay in bed and you feel numb. You crash out, okay? Even though when you were outside, you seemed okay. Now, if you want to talk about this more in detail and be understood and raise awareness with yourself, about yourself, and find out what the next steps are, you can book a coaching session with me. I'm an ADHD coach. I'm a neurodivergent coach. I help people on a daily basis when it comes to this matter, and I'm neurodivergent myself. And if you have ADHD specifically, not autism spectrum, you can purchase my ADHD course. It's simple and easy to go through, but a world of information that you didn't know about is suddenly given to you with quick tips and trips. Both links are in my bio. Enjoy.